Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to share big video files online using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser and search for vid.io slash send hyphen video. Okay, so you need to type this and click on enter. So now just go ahead and click on upload your video. Now just go ahead and choose the video that you want to share with others. So now this may take a while, okay, because uploading your video depends on your Wi-Fi, also the size of your video, okay? You can also cancel the upload by clicking cancel upload at the lower part of your screen. So now once it is downloading, what you can do is to just wait here, click on the share button. Okay, so let's just click on the share button. So it is not working. So let's just wait for it. So we just need to sign up first. So let me just do that. So let's just move on our Gmail inbox. And now click on login. Okay, so let's just wait again because my internet connection is not that great right now. So this may take a while, okay? So let's just wait. And now what you can do is to click on copy link. Okay. So once you've clicked on copy link, you can just go ahead and paste it anywhere you want to send the file. Okay. And that is how you share big video files online. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.